Good afternoon, teachers. Hope your work week is off to a great start. For those of you who celebrated Thanksgiving last week, I hope that you had a wonderful holiday with your family and your friends, and that you were able to find a little bit of rest from your classrooms, if not from your coursework here at Bellarmine. We have a short agenda this week. This is the last week of the semester. Our work is done here after this week. I hope that it was a productive semester for you. I hope that it was money and perhaps more importantly, time well spent, that the work that we have done over the course of the semester and impressive commitment that you have made to your work this semester has been beneficial, not just to you, but to your students and to your community, both within your building and outside of your building. With that said, I just want to say how much I have enjoyed working with you this semester. You know, the growth that we've had in this program over the last couple of years through the trauma degree and the diversity that it has brought across from teachers from across the country, outside of the country, teachers from different content areas, different levels, teachers with different roles in education and in their building, in their systems. The districts have been, it's just been very much appreciated and very informative to my practice. So I very much enjoyed working with you this semester. I know that it has been a tough semester. I have heard you. And I just hope that you have a strong end to your semester in your classrooms before the winter break, and I hope that the winter break provides you the time, the much needed time to heal, to prepare yourself mentally and physically for the work that you will be doing in the spring. This is, as we all know, an extremely taxing physical and mental profession that we've chosen. So I'll end on that note as it relates to the end of the semester. Turning our attention to our agenda, only two items, both have to do with the isn't paper presentations. We have our overview of our readings from not last week, but the week before that. Then for this week, what I would like for you to do is to watch all of your classmates' ISM presentations and then to comment on 5 by Monday, 11:55 p.m., Monday the 29th. I'm sorry, Monday the 6th of December, next Monday. And that's all we have for this week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I will not have your papers completed until the end of the semester. I apologize for that. 48 students in this class, that's 480 pages, as I mentioned last week. And then I had my students, all my undergrads, 30 plus students turned in their philosophy papers, which are also 10 pages. So a lot of grading going on, and have them to you as soon as I can. Again, been a pleasure. Hope everybody is doing well. You know how to reach me if you need to. Take care.